So the next cocktail that we're doing is from a bartender named Saed House, also LA based. He goes by Cocktails Cocktails by Hawk on the internet, on Instagram specifically. He is the second influencer, LA based, that I was made aware of, you know, taking pictures in the beginning and now doing some very wonderful videos. He's also emerged as a really big proponent of agave and agave spirits, really pushing, you know, that category forward in the cocktail world. And he has a very unique, amazing hairstyle. He's an awesome dude. I constantly see him sometimes when we're like, you know, doing brand stuff or when we're doing guest shifts. He's amazing. I love him. Today we're gonna be making a cocktail called Piña No Se, which roughly translates to, I don't know, pineapple. And it's a pina colada variation, obviously, with agave spirits. In this case, it'll be tequila. Okay, you ready? You ready, Marius?
I am, are
We're
you?
gonna be building this in a blender. We're doing our first freezer drink of 2025. So in a blender, we're gonna add 1 ounce of simple syrup, 1.5 ounces of lime juice. Oh, you know what I didn't do is I wanna put this in a Poco Grande, which looks like this. It's like a small hurricane glass, a little smaller. And we're gonna just put this here in the fridge. You know also what
That's a freezer.
That's what I meant, freezer. Did I say fridge? Mm-hmm. Well, the freezer's part of the fridge. One other thing, I gotta see if I have any, you know what we don't have any more of is our little Piña fronds that we froze. No, we don't, unfortunately. The Piña Frond. Should have picked up a pineapple on my way in today, but I didn't. All right, nothing a little freeze-dried citrus can't handle. Then we're gonna do 1 ounce of green chartreuse or alternative. I got the good stuff, I got the real stuff, so I might as well. Not that the other stuff isn't good stuff, but it's the real stuff, so. Then we're gonna do 4 ounces of Tequila Blanco. To this, we're gonna add some frozen pineapple chunks. Boop. That's really not advisable. Take an ice pick and get it all out. Freeze my own pineapple, what can I say? He says 2 handfuls, so I just set aside what I thought looks like, you know, I don't know, a little over that maybe, so maybe I'll just do about half of this for like 2 handfuls. Does that look like 2 handfuls to you? Is that more than 2 handfuls? Less than 2 handfuls? Of course, we're gonna need dilution, so we're going to add in a little Pebble Ice here. Maybe about half a cup. Now it's a little more than half a cup, but that's okay. Add half a cup. I think it's gotten the stubborn pineapple chunks. Let's take our not chilled enough Poco Grande glass, which should be definitely more chilled than this, but you know. And that's what happens when you're unprepared, right? And this is like pretty much a double, so, you know, make 2. Oh, there's a little pineapple chunk. That's nice, a little treat. Oh yeah, you know what I did not put in here? Was did not put in here some xanthan gum to make it, to keep it frozen, I guess, or keep it frozen looking. That was the hack that we got from Gary Richard. Yum, nicely balanced, pineapple-y, chartreusey, and then you get a lot of that agave, which is kind of crazy. Chartreuse is not as prominent as you think it would, but it gives a little bit of that, like, you know, kind of piney, herbaceous, alpine flavor, but then you get a lot of that roasted agave. So it is a fantastically good drink. This is something that I could just kill on a lounger at my favorite hotel. My favorite beach hotel. My favorite tropical beach hotel. I don't have a favorite tropical beach hotel, but I intend to have one in the future.
Just make sure you subscribe.
Well, if people subscribe and watch our videos more, I'll be able to afford to go to a pineapple. If people subscribe to our channel more, then I'll have enough money to go to a tropical beach hotel. So if you wanna help me out with this, I'll put a link to a GoFundMe in the description. Let's do that since I don't have any Piña fronds. Bam, there it is, the Piña No Se.